I'm obsessed with this AI video tool and I think you will be too. So check this out. What this tool does is it takes one long video and then it generates several short videos, vertical videos, that you can use on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels with the help of AI, so you don't have to do it yourself. You don't have to pay anyone to do it. Before we look at the demo, make sure you like and share this video so more people can see this. So here's the tool that's called Clop.app. Here's the URL. Make short videos 10 times faster, and you can use these short videos on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, you name it. So how you do this? Very simple. All you have to do is put the link of your long YouTube video, so you don't have to download YouTube video and then upload. You just have to add a link of your YouTube video, and then click on Generate TikToks and you're gonna see this. Click on Generate TikTok again and then give it a few seconds and boom, your clips, your short videos are ready. So here are all the generated videos. You can scroll down and see all of these. It's gonna show you the viral reality score, how long the videos are, the transcript, and here's something cool when you play this. Watch this. So the dynamic captions are automatically added. I did not have to do this. Now, you can download this and use it on your social media, or let's say you don't like the content, or you want to add something, or maybe you want to delete the last line. You don't like it, right? So it's really easy. You click on edit and now here is again your full video. You can click on cuts only, and then it shows you the cut only, or you can go back to the full video and scroll down. So here is the clip in this color, which is purple. Now, let's say I want to delete this thing right here. So I can select this segment and then click on delete and it will delete it from my reel. Or maybe you want to add something. Maybe you want to add a line on the beginning or towards the end. So that's also very simple. You're just gonna select it and it's added. Now, my clip starts from everything is uncomfortable. Very simple and powerful to use. So in old days, we used to hire people, editors, to do this, and used to cost a lot and also a lot of time if you were to do it yourself. But now this AI tool will generate all the clips for you. So I'm gonna go back here and then you can review all of these clips, and then whenever you're happy with these, you can click on download, and download these to your computer. Now, obviously, this tool is premium, which means you are going to get some clips for free. But then eventually they're going to ask you to pay, or update or upgrade. So I'm going to show you another similar tool. It's called Opus Clip. So this tool is very similar. It does the same thing: one long YouTube video, or long video into 10 viral clips. And the idea is same. You just add your YouTube video link, which is a long video, and then get clips, and it will generate several clips for you. So here is another tool that you can look into, Opus.pro, or the tool that I showed you earlier, Clop.app. If you have any questions, let me know. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this, and now I'll see the next video. Bye for now.